If you are going to be stuck in island, would you rather have a phone or your best friend?
Best friend.
Excuse me, my name is Mike. I take street portraits of strangers. Would it be okay if you can be my model? I can show you my page so that you have an idea. Magkapatid po kayo or magkaibigan? Can I borrow your friend app? Kung papayag siya for a few minutes. So, okay lang po ba sa inyo? Kasi I like your style. Ano pong name nyo?
MJ po.
Bakit po kayo napunta sa Manila Cathedral?
Gumala lang po kami ng friend ko.
3 minutes to be with anyone, living or dead, or 3 million pesos.
3 million.
3 million pesos. If you are going to be stuck in island, would you rather have a phone or your best friend?
Best friend.
If you can travel time, would you rather go 5 years back or see yourself
See myself in the
see
fire.
yourself 5 years in the future? Nice. Binigay may sa picture.
Nagpipicture nga po yung friend ko kanina. Naaya po ako. Ayoko po.
Buti pumayag ka. Thank you so much.
Tata po ako dyan.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Nice. I'll show you. Okay, keep that smile. That's great. Okay.
Okay lang po ba yan? Di po ako marunong mag-posing eh.
Maganda po. Thank you very much for the opportunity po to take your portraits. Thank you so much.